Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get Game Pass on Roblox. So guys, if you want to get or make your own Game Pass on Roblox, you have to open a browser and just go to roblox.com. Just enter now. It will take you to the homepage of Roblox if you are logged in already. So now once you reach this homepage, just click on this create tab over the top. Just click on it or tap on it. Once you here guys, now you just need to open this menu if you are on mobile, but on PC it automatically opens. So once you here guys, you just need to click on this creation option. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will get to the experience, and here if you want to get my Game Pass, you just need to click on your default experience, which will be by your username. Click on it, and now once you here guys, you just need to scroll down here, and now you just need to click on this passes option under the my monetization. Click on it. Now you will see the passes option. Here you can get your own Game Pass. Click on this create a pass button, and now you just need to enter the name of the Game Pass. Just click on this description here like demo. You can enter anything you want, and just click on this create pass button. A new Game Pass will be created. You just need to click on the new Game Pass that you have created. Click on it and just click on this sale option on the left. If this you can't see these options on mobile, just tap on that three bar over here to see these options, and click on sale and just click on item for sale and enter the price here like 100 Robux and click on save changes. So since I have already created lots of Game Passes, that's why I'm getting this error, but you won't see this error if you haven't created your Game Pass. So that's how you can create your own Game Pass. Hope you like it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.